Yo, what's up? This is my bike check. To start off, I got 4 KINK lite pegs. I got ANIMALl tires, front GLHs, one in the rear, one in the front. I got ODYSSEY hazard light rim with that ODYSSEY hazard cassette, 9-tooth driver, 25 sprocket. And I got the ANIMALl seat, the ANIMALl seat post. Got the crank, got the profile cranks with the ODYSSEY Trail Mix pedals, the ANIMALl sprocky balboa chainwheel. Got the fit Edwin frame, no brake mounts. Makes that shit look super clean. And fuck putting brakes on. Got the ANIMALl jump off stem, the OG. The ANIMALl grips. The ANIMALl piff 2.0s. And I got the fit blade fork. And then I got the ANIMALl or the ODYSSEY hazard front hub. And the ODYSSEY hazard light rim. I don't know if you can see that good. That bitch is hollow. As well with this. That's my bike check.